Hello everyone, this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions, and today I've got a really nice trailer. This is a WindJammer by Rockwood, and it's going to be sold no reserve, sold to the absolute highest bidder on our auction July 14th at 1 p.m. Pre-bids will be open, so you can bid on this, get those bids already in, and then it'll go live if you're bidding online or in person on the 14th at 1 p.m. Come out, check this out, preview it. I'm going to do a walk around of this. I'm going to go outside. We're going to go inside and take a look and go from there. And like I said, this will be going on the 14th. It has 3 tip outs. I think this is like 30 feet long or so. These cut through the wind pretty good. You got your tanks on the inside. This is a electric tongue where it goes up and down, which is nice. Of course, your tanks sit there. This doesn't come with tanks, but you can get those really cheaply. All right, so this one goes in and out just fine. It's got a little bit of damage right here, but that's not terrible. Just needs a little bit of fixing. But no big deal. This is a 3065WA is the model number. Looks like it's also made by Forest River. It's got a 3-step unit, nice floors in it. Okay, so this is on the inside here. You've got your middle, you got your kitchen section, double sink. Of course, that's always a 3-burner stove. You got a microwave up above. Large living room. This is a lot of room in here. Looks like it's got some tables and some chairs. Does have a recliner. The ceilings look really nice. Couch is a little on the older side, but that's something you could take out and put a new couch in if you wanted to. It's got a full fridge. Countertops look really nice. Coming back through this way. Got your bathroom. It's the pass-through to your master up here. We'll take a look. Countertop here. And look at this. I love how much room you have for your bed here. And this is your other tip out. Larger bed. And then closet space up here where it comes to that like cone shape in the front. And of course your shower area. Full-size shower, sink, toilet, of course, and then you got 2 doors, one from each side here, and of course, put in a nice TV right here, and you'd be set. Floors look good, really nice trailer. It's very, when it's opened up, this thing's got a lot of room, and it looks really in pretty decent condition. So, but this is gonna be sold to the highest bidder on the 14th at 1 p.m. You can bid online, bid in person, all that good stuff, and bring this home. This is a really super nice trailer. Steps feel good. I've got a dog that's absolutely upset at me, barking at me. He spotted me. That's fine. You can sit there and bark. But this is, it's got a spare on the back. We're just kind of doing a walk around all the way around here. Didn't quite cover your other tip out. Let me kind of stand back here. WindJammer by Rockwood. Sold to the absolute highest bidder. Really a really cool looking trailer. Really nice. Very open floor plan. And come out and take a look at it. We're always open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5 for preview. Preview. Read our terms and conditions on our website, ctmunlimitedauction.com. That'll tell you everything you need to know about us as an auction company, what you would expect from us, and what we'd expect from you as a bidder. But come out, preview this one. Super nice trailer. It's being sold to the highest bidder. Really nice trailer. Let me know if you have any questions. Put some comments down below or give us a call, 360-273-5808. Thanks for watching.